Alright, these are going to be the elevators at the Holiday Inn in Select or Express, I'm not sure which one, but in downtown Vancouver, British Columbia. Alright, here's a cab view. They're pretty tiny elevators. I think they used to be Otis or Turnbull, but Dover or Turnbull, they modded these in the 80s or 90s, so yeah. Here we go. I think they're just Dover. So probably late 80s, early 90s, I'd guess. Going up?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I am going up.
What floor?
And are you here for the rugby?
No, I'm just filming the elevators. I'm an elevator fan.
Oh, okay. Especially ones at work, is that good?
Yeah, I like old ones the best.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I like historic ones the best.
There's some very interesting buildings here in...
Yeah, there are. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, a place a couple blocks from here has really old elevators. There's an old hospital that has some really old ones. So, yeah.
Wow. The train station's interesting, too.
All right, which train station?
The big train station on, from the Canadian Railroad.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not too far from here.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome.
That was very nice. Now I know. Here we are in 7. Ooh, it shakes a bit when it stops. Very quiet door operator. Let's go to the parking. That button's really loose. Motor sounds interesting. There's me in the mirror. Hi. Let's see, they're Dover. They're your buttons. They're newer Dover traditional fixtures. Your CD goes out. Parking. Let's go up to 7. And there we go up. Here we go. We're almost on 7. We're on 7. Let's get a hallway here. Actually, yeah, the hallway's pretty basic looking. We'll go back down. Oh, this one we got now. No indicator lights. They're burnt out. Indicator lights are burnt out. Dover. CD. Definitely a little bumpy when it starts. Elevator 1. CD. Lobby. And we'll watch it go out. And there it goes. And that's gonna be it.